the video.
Where I let go of me and mine. The more I remember, the more I rise, and bodies hope just slowly dies. No more excuses.
Om Shanti.
No more delay. I listen to truth and clear the way. Each word of wisdom, sweet and clear, brings Maya close, and then she disappears. I play the song of truth each day, and doubts like shadows fade away. To serve with light in calm control is how I heal and make souls whole. Experience beyond the lines. It sparkles seen in subtle signs. In joy I live, in peace I stay. My silent face will light the way. I am a soul, this truth I hold. The supreme is mine, ancient and bold. I claim my place in the world of light. The soul returns to claim its right. The play goes on, but now I see this deep remembrance sets me free.
Very good morning, everybody. Om Shanti.
Oh, Om Shanti, Praveen Bhai. I'm now connected, but not on my computer. I'm connected on VT's mobile. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can see and hear
Okay.
you clearly, Sister Rohini. Yeah,
All right. Okay. So I'm speaking from VT's mobile. Okay.
sure. Yeah, understand.
So long as you can
So,
see me.
yeah, we can see and hear you clearly. No problem. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
When you tell
So,
me when you give me the green signal, I will go.
sure. We'll do that. Yeah, so welcome everybody to this wonderful series. Today is the last session of this penultimate session of this series. And of course, according to that, we have a very special speaker today, our beloved brother Charlie from Australia. So here we go. And before we get started,
今日
with
係最
the
後一日，
session, a few things to remind everybody is that there is
係 Charlie 兄弟
interpretation happening of this session in various languages. You may note that. And so we have Hindi, Cantonese, Mandarin, Korean, and Japanese.
今日
Japanese
有
as
唔
well.
同嘅翻
Apart
譯，
from these languages,
印度
we
語、
also have the
普
Philippines
通話、
team
廣東話，
joining in from there.
又有菲律
So
賓、韓
a
國
warm
同
welcome
埋
to everybody
日
to
本。
this. And I would request first Sister Rohini to please give an introduction of Brother Charlie.
而家介紹
Om Shanti,
Charlie。
everyone. Om Shanti, Charlie Bhai.
Hello, Rohini Ben.
Charlie Bhai does not require any introduction.
Charlie 其實係
And
唔使介
those who are
紹，
from Hong Kong and some of us who joined for Charlie Bhai's retreat last month
香
in
港
Hong
上個
Kong.
月喺
They
香
had
港
a
有一
first-hand
個
experience with Charlie
靜
Bhai's
修營，
Avyakta Bapdada meeting stories. But this, what we are doing here in Hong Kong, which is initiated by Kowloon Center and Sister Bindu's team. So we have
係
had
九
a,
龍中
I think
心
all the
舉
seniors
辦
sharing their
嘅
experiences. we heard a very rich and inspiring stories. And this is the finale. And in this finale, it's
我
very
哋聽咗好
befitting that
多
Charlie Bai is doing.
故事，
Charlie Bai has been around as Baba's child and Baba's companion for 51 years.
51
And in
年
one of the
，Charlie
meetings,
Bai
Baba told him to
學習
find
呢個靈性嘅
jewels
修
and
為，
diamonds for Baba. And since
佢揾到好多。
1974, he has
1974年開
traveled
始，
far and wide and found Baba's various thousands of
有
jewels
上
and made
千
them
個
companions, Baba's companion.
珠
So
寶 Charlie Bai 去
tomorrow when we are
全世
looking
界度
forward
揾
to
到
meet
佢哋，
Baba's companion,
即係揾
Baba's
到
master
BK，
bestower companion, then who else could be the best example than Charlie Bai? Charlie Bai has
係
been doing
同
that
爸
business
爸
for
可
past
以
51
伴
years, and he is a true role model to teach us and to
佢
inspire
係一
us
個
and
好
to
好
take
嘅
us
榜
into
樣。
today's journey, inspiring us to do tomorrow's journey of being Shiv Baba's, Father Brahma's loyal, faithful companion, just like Charlie
點
Bai.
樣可以
So
同 Charlie Bai 一
I will
樣
not continue for
同
too
爸
long.
爸
This is
嘅
enough.
陪伴？
Thank you very much, Charlie Bai. Thank you much to Bindu Ben and her team. They have been working very sincerely and very hard to do this, make this happen for us.
邊度
So thank you
Ben
all, and thank you
係
all for
好
joining
努
us
力，
from everywhere in Asia Pacific zone.
多
Thank you
謝
very much.
亞
Over
洲
to Charlie Bai. Thank you, Praveen Bai.
Yeah, thank you, Rohini sister, for that wonderful introduction. I think one thing is, if I may add, is that Charlie Bai is known as the Brahma Baba of APAC.
佢有
Yeah,
人叫
and let
佢
me call
係
upon
Brahma
Sister Bindu to
爸爸。
please welcome Brother Charlie.
Welcome.
歡迎歡迎，
Thank you, Bindu Ben.
Thank you. Welcome, welcome. Thank you.
So, to everybody, this is like a special series because we have requested the ones who are sharing with us today, our seniors, we have requested them to make this experiential session so that we can experience really the Avyak sustenance and get into an angelic stage. And please remember to put in some questions. Brother Charlie is very good at answering questions. And so please put it in the main chat in the Zoom, whatever questions you have. Towards the end, we will try to keep a few minutes for these answers. So Brother Charlie, request you if you could please speak for the next 40 minutes or so, and then we'll reserve some time for questions and a final
Charlie
meditation by
會
you and your
講
Christy.
40分鐘，
Thank you,
跟
Brother
住
Charlie.
有問答，然後有一個靜坐。
Oh, thank you so much, Praveen Bai. And thank you so much, Bindu Ben, for this lovely welcome. And Rohini Ben for your lovely intro. And it's so special for me to see
好特別，
the Hong Kong
多
family
謝各，
because I was only there just a month
因為
ago.
啱啱一個月
So I
前
feel
就
like
喺
living
香
once
港，
again, and I can see so
可
many
以
in Tagaytay sitting there.
見
So
到
it's really lovely. I
喺
imagine you're having
菲律
a
賓。
special day up there tomorrow. Yes, what I'd love to do is just share some of my journey with Brahma Baba, especially the Avyakt part. And I think in 1985,
我想分享
I
天
was
使
just 10
嘅
years with Baba,
Brahma
and
爸爸。
we had a meeting in Om Shanti Bhavan.
我
So
嗰
all
陣
of
時
those
係
in
10
foreign
年啦，
countries who were 10 years with Baba, we
係
had the
已
meeting
經
in
10
Om
年
Shanti
啦，
Bhavan.
就喺 Om Shanti Bhavan
Baba
嗰
gave us
度。
all drishti. There's probably 6 or 7
爸
of
爸
us. And you know,
大概
sitting in
我
front
哋
of
有
Baba
6、7個
receiving all
人
drishti is,
有
you know, just an
Drishti，
extraordinary experience. But when
係
Baba
非
came
常
in,
之
he
震
said
撼
to
嘅。
us, what is your specialty? Baba
你
asked
有
us
咩特
because
長？
normally Baba would give you drishti and just start to talk to your specialties.
一
But
般
when
爸
he
爸
came
會
to
講
me,
你嘅特
Baba
長
said,，your specialty is your love. for Brahma Baba.
就係
I'd
你
always
愛
felt close
Brahma
to Brahma
Baba。
Baba, but when Baba said that, it really made me think deeply. You know, what is my
當爸爸
relationship
咁
with
樣
Brahma
講，
Baba?
我有咩
And I
關係呢？
feel, you know, Shiv Baba will make me pure and take me home.
Shiv
But it's
Baba
Brahma Baba
令
who
到我
teaches
純
me
潔，
how to live in this world
而返
and
屋企
really go beyond the game of give and take of sorrow. And you know, when I
Brahma
remember
Baba 教我點樣
Baba,
喺
Brahma Baba,
生活
I
上
get
邊
so much courage
係
because
超
all
越
of us in our
一
Brahman
切，
journey, we
而
have to face
唔
everything.
去
My
得
karmic
到
story
痛
and the
苦。
situation of the world, clear the accounts
我
of all
有
my
嘅因果
relationships. And to me, Brahma Baba was such an extraordinary example of that.
Brahma Baba 係一個
And in a
非
way,
常
I
之好
feel that the
嘅
greatest
榜樣。
act of a human soul in
一個
eternity
人
is the act of Brahma Baba. You know,
一
he
個
was
人
married, he
所
was
能
running a
夠做
business,
過，
he was living a
佢
very
結
lofty
咗
life.
婚，
He
佢
met
有
Shiv Baba,
太
fell in love
太
with Shiv
有孩
Baba,
子，
and he cleared
佢
absolutely everything to become a full angel.
佢將
Just
所
think,
有因
is there
果
a
了
greater
結
act in
咗，
eternity? I don't
然
think.
後係
And
同
so,
Shiv
you know,
Baba
we're exploring
佢變
this
成天使，
extraordinary role of the number one human soul.
佢係第一
And in
位
19,
人，
and when I first came to
第一
Baba,
個
it was in London.
完美嘅人。
And I was searching a lot and wandering around, and
我
I
喺
went to
倫
the
敦
Spiritualist Association of Great Britain. And Daddy Janki and
一路
Janki
四
Band
處
were
遊
there.
蕩。
And as soon as I saw them, I
Daddy
could feel
Janki 同埋
something
Janty
moving.
Band 喺
And
嗰
they
度有
invited me to
講
the
座，
centre in Tennyson Road, which was then
佢
the world headquarters of the Brahma Kumaris. I often enjoy that because it
佢
was a
邀請我
tiny little
去，
house, but it was the
因
world
為好
headquarters.
細好細嘅
And
地方，
Brahma
佢
Baba's picture
叫
was there.
國際
And
嘅
I
總
loved
部。
his face. I could see, you can see in a face the beauty, the warmth.
我可以見到
But I had a
嗰
little
種
resistance to gurus in that day, in those days.
愛，
And I remember asking
嗰
Sister
種光，
Janki, and she explained to
但係
me
我好怕大
in
師，
such clear terms how really he's not a guru. In fact, he's
佢
the
唔
opposite
係
of
大
that.
師，
He's the number one example of where we have to go in our Brahman
第
journey.
佢係第一
And
個
how lucky
模
are we
範
that。we are able to have such an example as Brahma Baba. And
我
I
哋
went to
幾幸
Madhavan
運
after
可以
that.
有咁嘅
And I think after
典
6
範。
weeks, I spent 6 weeks in Madhavan. But I'd only been a few
我
months
6
in
個
Gurgaon.
星，
Daddy
我只
Janki
係
sent me,
幾個月
and I
學
arrived
咗
in
呢個知
Madhavan
識，
early
就
December
喺馬都班印度
1975.
6個星
And
期。
it was just an extraordinary time. And I was there during the 18th of January. And you know, the atmosphere at that time,
我係1
the
月
love
18 號
for Brahma
喺
Baba
印度，
that the daddies
佢
had
哋
was
對
so
Brahma
powerful.
Baba
And
嘅
that day was
愛
such
好
a
有
deeply
力量。
emotional day. Because I think, you know, he was the instrument, Shiv Baba through him, that really
Shiv
transformed their
Baba
lives.
通過佢，
And one night I was standing in the courtyard.
有一日
And
我
I
喺
was just sitting there after dinner, maybe
出邊
8:15, and Sheila Ben came up to
8
me and
點
she
幾，
said, "Come with me, someone wants
跟
to
住
meet you." She didn't
Shilu
say
Ben
who.
話有
Anyway,
人要見你，
I,
你嚟
you
啦。
know, I just said, "Okay." So I went with her and she took me into Baba's room. And Baba was there.
然後去
And
爸爸
Baba
嘅
in those
房，
days would come and help the daddies. He was still hands-on guiding the yagya.
嗰陣
And
時
Baba
Brahma
had had a
Baba
meeting with
巴
all the
達達
daddies. And
仍
then he
然
called
去
us
見
in.
嗰啲爹
And
哋，
I could just feel
仲係
the
教佢哋
absolute
點樣
care
去
of the angel Brahma. He
天
asked
使
me, "How
嘅
are you
Brahma
going? How are you managing?" It was my
問
first time. Just like a
我係
father
第一
or a
次，
mother would ask a
好
child.
似一個
Baba
父
was
親或者
so
母
lovely.
親咁
And he
問候
chit-chatted to
我，
me just like a father or mother
好
would
似一
with
個
a child.
父親
It was in Baba's
同一
room
個
in
仔
front of
女，
Bhavan. So maybe 15 or 20 people, and most of the daddies were there.
大概20
And that
個
was sort
人
of my
喺度。
first journey of the hands-on love and care and guidance of the angel Brahma.
愛、關
Really, I
懷
can remember even before
同埋
Gyan, I used to say to
教
friends,
導。
I've got a guardian angel that's guiding me.
我
in my
有一
life.
個
And when I
天
came
使
into Gyan, I
嚟保
really
護
felt
我，
that guardian angel was Brahma Baba. He had brought me from
就
Australia
係
to
Brahma
London
Baba。
to meet Baba.
佢
He
帶
took
我
me
由
to
澳
London
洲
and
去
came and met me
倫敦，
directly.
跟住帶
And
我
I
去
think that,
印度，而
you know, I
親身
think Pakistan
咁樣
was such
見我。
a turning point in my Brahman life. I got such a feeling of the beauty of the early days of the Yajna.
我感覺
And
到
the way
呢
that
個
Brahma
學
Baba
靈性學
sustained the
院
children.
一日
And
最開始嘅
I
時候，
think that my whole relationship with Baba had been so close. But when I went to Pakistan, I really just
我
got
去
this
巴基斯坦嘅時候，
incredibly, I don't know, I just feel the reality of the early days of the Yajna, but the beauty of those early days. And it was like observing the part of Brahma, the effort of Brahma before he became the full angel.
佢未變成天使
I
之
actually
前
went to
要
Brahma
做
Baba's
嘅
home,
各
and I
種
know
努
I've
力。
mentioned this in different places, but I realized how well-to-do Baba was. This huge,
嗰陣時
beautiful
爸爸係幾有
sandstone
錢啊！
colonial home. Right out the back was a
佢嘅
huge
屋
house
企
just for the servants. And so it realized,
淨
made me
係
realize
俾
just
又
how
有
well-to-do Baba was. He was so well-to-do.
同埋亦都有好
It's
多
an
嘅
embassy now, Baba's house
僕人
in Karachi. And
喺
then going to
Karachi 巴基斯
Kunj Bhavan,
坦。
because as you know, Baba wasn't allowed to live with the sisters. The courts wouldn't allow
爸
Baba
爸
to
係
live with the
冇
sisters after all their upheaval.
係
in
唔
my
可
life.
以一齊
So
住
Baba
嘅，
lived 2.5 kilometers from Kunj Bhavan, and he would
所
often
以爸
walk.
爸係
He would often walk.
佢
And in
2.5
Kunj Bhavan,
公里，
the
咁
love,
佢
the
一般係
atmosphere of
行
love, I
去
just felt that Shiv
見嗰
Baba's
啲
ocean of love
爹
came
哋細
and
個，
entered Brahma Baba, and Brahma
即係
Baba
Brahma
just
爸爸
absolutely
要
fell in love with
分
Shiv
開
Baba.
住，而
You know, my
每一
feeling
日
is this
要
was the
行
greatest
去
love affair of the whole
2.5
cycle
公里行
between
去
the
見爹
supreme
哋佢
soul
哋
and the number one human soul. And really, I think Brahma Baba just felt so deeply in love with Shiv Baba. It took him
爸媽
beyond
爸爸
everything. I
愛
don't think he ever
係
had
好
to think
深
of
深咁愛
renunciation or surrender.
Shiv
He just
爸爸，
was so deeply in love. And so that
所
atmosphere
以我係好容
in
易咁樣
Karachi and even
就即刻
Hyderabad
放下
kind
一
of gave
切。
me more and more insight into the part of Brahma Baba. And along with this, just getting sort of the feelings of the early days of Brahma Baba. In the 1980, I went to Kolkata, and I went with Daddy Ji, and we had a
1980年我去
celebration
Calcutta
at Queen Victoria Memorial, a huge program.
有一個
And
大型嘅
during
活
that
動，
program, Dadaran Kishore was there. Many of you will remember him. Such a wonderful brother. But he had married into Baba's family, and he and Vishwa Kishore both worked with Baba in Kolkata.
呢
And
一
I
個
went to
兄
Baba's
弟
Marduk,
係
in
同爸
Calcutta,
爸
where Baba had
嘅屋企人
his home
係
was
有
just
結
opposite,
咗婚，
and
同
had
埋亦
lovely
都一
homes in
齊
Calcutta.
去做嘢嘅。
But we went to the shop, and in the shop there was 3
我哋
counters. There was one in the front
我
and
哋
2 on the
去咗
sides.
嗰個店，珠寶店，
Anand Kishore Dada on one side, Vishwa
淨係得 3個
Kishore
人
Dada
嘅
on the
啫
other,。and Baba at the back. And, you know, just to see that shop, and then as we were looking there, many of the Sindhi jewelers came around because there were so many of them
有
there.
好多
And they began to
Cindy
open
嘅
photo albums of those early
嘅
days.
珠寶商
And
都
they
喺
showed us
嗰條
photos of
街。
Anand Kishore Dada, you know, wearing his latest fashionable clothes from London, you know, and leading on his Mercedes Benz. And I really
佢
realized
有
they
一
were
個
so well to do. They
Benz
were upper society people. Because often we think of them as yogis right from the beginning, but Brahma Baba was
我
so
哋一直
established in
都
society, so
以
respected.
為 佢哋係瑜伽修行者，但係佢未開始嘅時候，佢哋係一個非常之有地位身份嘅商家，所以佢個轉變係非常之大嘅。我返去倫敦，我淨係有一個出神。
It's hard to say. Baba says the subtle region is beyond the sun, moon, and stars. But I had this
係精細區，
being traveling an infinite distance, and I came
係無限嘅。
face of the angel of Brahma twice.
然後我見到 Brahma Baba 天使兩次，靚到你根本就唔可以比較。嗰塊面係充滿住光芒，係有愛同埋純潔嘅光，就係一個佢付出咗好多嘅努力而得到嘅天使。爸爸就係想帶我哋，就係完全愛唯一嘅 Shiv 爸爸，而係對所有嘅人類都係仁慈嘅。呢個就係 Brahma Baba 想帶我哋變成天使。你係世俗父親嘅伴侶。
But we went to meet Daddy Prakashmani, and we mentioned that Baba said this. And Daddy Ji said, well, not necessarily living in the yajna, but maybe in the Sindhi community at that time.
你哋可能上一世未必係喺個學院度住，但係可能你係一直相伴住佢。
You know, when I think of Baba's journey, who's our number one example, the first step was really the Lokik Brahma.
第一個就係世俗嘅 Brahma， 跟住就係努力嘅 Brahma， 然後最後就係天使完美嘅 Brahma。
But the effort-making Brahma Baba, you know, the one who had to move from a body-conscious human being to a
由一個身體意識至到一個完美嘅天使，將所有嘅因果都了結。
I remember once Avyak Babdada talking, there was a moli about the challenges and the obstacles of Brahma Baba.
有一篇 Murli 講關於 Brahma Baba 嘅挑戰，在世嘅時候，我哋有一方面，我哋已經揾到我哋生生世世想要嘅 Shiv Baba 嘅真嘅愛。另一方面係要了結所有嘅因果。佢在世嘅時候，佢嘅兄弟嚟見佢，佢好憤怒，因為成個家族嘅名聲都俾 Brahma Baba 俾人詆毀，
criticizing him
一路喺度
and Daddy
詆毀佢，
oh poor Baba because they could hear
因為
Brahma
爹哋
Baba's
佢哋
brother
都
who was so strong
聽
with
到
him. And
Brahma Baba
when
嘅
Brahma
弟
Baba's
兄
brother left, they went into the room to console Baba. And
跟住
Daddy
佢
said
哋
Baba
諗
was
住去安
dancing
慰，
with just joy on his face. And
但係 Brahma
even though
Baba
Brahma Baba listened
個
to
塊
his brother, he
面
gave respect to his brother.
係完全喺度跳，好似跳魚。佢仍然非常之，就算俾佢詆毀，俾屋企人詆毀，佢仍然係好有嗰種陶醉感。有幾多人係唔明白而詆毀佢哋？
And Dr. Zafar was a historian of that time, and he was saying there was 500,000 people in Hyderabad at the time.
嗰
The
陣時
whole city was in upheaval around, so many young girls joining the Brahma
有
Kumaris and
50
saying
萬
they were
人
married. So many
喺
brothers
Hyderabad
remaining pure.
係
He said you can't
非
imagine
常
how much
之
upheaval,
非
and
常
how
之
many
動盪，
insults. And
亦都係
Daddy
因
Nora
為
Shanta,
佢
Brahma
哋保
Baba's
持純
daughter,
潔而唔
married
結婚。
into the family called the Mukhi family, which was the famous family of the Sindh at that time, the wealthiest family.
喺嗰陣時
And that was
係
very
最
prestigious for
有
Baba to
錢
marry
嘅
his，daughter into this family.
係最
When
有
Shiv
錢
Baba
嘅
started to
家
come to
庭。
Brahma Baba,
但係當 Shiv
and
Baba 嚟
then
到嘅
Daddy
時
Nirmala
候，
Shanta left the family and came into the Yagya. The Mukhi family were the head of the anti-party. So this family that was so close to Baba became the main
之前
opposition to Baba.
之
So how
前同
much,
Brahma Baba
how much did Baba have to
係
face? Because often we have
仔女
challenges in
係
our own
結婚
families.
嘅家庭，
The
非
second
常之
thing
有
that
錢嘅
Avyad
Mukhi
Baghdad has said about Brahma Baba,
家庭，
not just the
但
insults
係
from the public, but the
佢
obstacles
就
in the
係
Yagya. I
帶
remember
頭
once
去
Sister
反
Mohini in New
抗。
York was telling us she came to Baba in the early 1950s. And she has about something like 40 members
Mohini
of her Lokik family in Gyan.
有
And she said
14
all
個
over Delhi
人
there were posters anti the Brahma Kumaris. So,
喺德里，
in those days,
佢
because
哋係反對。
women were running the organization, that was so
第一
radical. Baba
係
was just
女
so
人
revolutionary
去
in
帶
that way.
領呢
And
個學
so many
院，
obstacles that they had
靈
to,
性嘅學
had to
院。
face at that time.
第一係女
There was
性，
even
呢個從來冇發
the
生嘅。
burning down of an exhibition.
跟住
some
佢哋
people
燒
called
毀
Baba's
咗，
children, and that got a lot of publicity actually.
燒毀
Because
咗
some people
佢
came
哋
and
嘅
they set fire to all the pictures.
嗰
And
啲
all the
誒
sisters just stood back and
圖
watched. No
畫，
one complained, no one yelled.
冇
And
人
then in the
投
papers, they were
訴，
praising the response of the Brahma Kumaris. So in fact,
佢
it
哋
gave
完
service.
全俾人哋
Even
燒
I
毀
went
咗嘅
to
圖畫，佢哋都冇
Amritsar
出
once.
聲。
And the main center in Amritsar is in a little street. And it was where Daddy Chandramani was based. And
Amritsar
Mama, when
Daddy
a lot of
Chandramani
Kumaris, and it was mainly in Punjab, began to join the Yagya, Mama went there. Baba sent Mama because there was a lot
爸
of
爸就叫
opposition.
媽媽去，因
And
為
one
有
day
好
Mama
多
was in
反
the
對
center
嘅
and
人，
1,000 people gathered outside the
有
center
1000人喺
protesting.
中心嘅
And
外
Mama,
邊，
one young sister, went
淨
out in
係
front of 1,000 people.
佢企出去出邊，面
And
對
a lot of
1000
Baba
人，
invited the leaders into the center, and 10 came in, and she
有
explained,
10個
about Baba
有
and
10
the
個
Yagya.
反對嘅領袖入咗去中心，
Firstly, Baba had to face insults from the public.
然後
Secondly,
佢
so
媽媽
many
解釋俾佢哋
obstacles
聽，
in the Yagya, and yet Baba's so merciful to all those people
爸
who
爸
even put problems in the Yagya.
就算
But the
佢
third one was
俾咗好
interesting.
多
The
問題，
discontentment
但
of the
係爸爸
children.
仍然係好慈悲咁樣對待。
Sometimes we know that on this journey of self-transformation,
喺呢個
that
自我轉
sometimes our
變嘅
samskaras are so
時刻，
strong.
但係我哋嘅舊嘅習慣係幾咁強，我哋係會停止，令到我哋停滯咗，而我哋可能有一啲不滿。當我不滿嘅時候，我就會將呢一種不滿投射去第啲人度，即係賴人啊、怪人啊。32年 Brahma Baba 嘅努力，喺1969年1月18。Dadi Prakash Mani 話俾我哋聽個故事，佢夜晚課，Dadi Ji 就跟住佢，佢拖住爸爸嘅手，瞓喺度，佢感覺到嗰個能量係離開咗，然後佢就叫佢爸爸爸爸，但係個靈魂離開身體。佢講呢個故事嘅時候，佢有少少眼淚。我已經講咗呢個故事100次，但係今次係第一次我流眼淚。佢可以自由咁樣離開身體，變成一個天使。而家佢喺佢嘅念頭就係佢會在存在嘅地方。佢而家係24小時不停咁樣去做服務，已經57年啦，變成天使。佢話一半以上嘅轉變都係 Brahma Baba 喺白光區度去做嘅努力。Avia 就係佢通過 Guza Dadi。
And in my first few years, Baba would come every second night.
我最初嘅時候，2日爸爸就會嚟一次。
Hong Kong or the Philippines. So Baba would speak Tamil and everyone would sit around Baba. Baba would speak about service in Hong Kong or service in the Philippines or Japan or China or wherever.
爸爸會講世界各地嘅服務。而每個人，
sorry, there's a little bit of speaking there, but Baba was so supportive. And once I was just only a few years in Guyana, and I had been asked to move to Sydney from Melbourne. And there were some problems in a brother's house. We had a Panda Bhavan, and they were going through some difficulties. And I met Baba in the history hall.
我喺歷史廳見爸爸，佢好長嘅 drishti， 所有人都對你滿意嘛？因為我啱啱同嗰啲兄弟有啲問題。
Some aren't even happy with Bap Dada.
你唔好擔
And Baba then
心，
explained that some
因
children
為
feel,
有
well,
啲
Baba
人
met this
呢，
one for 10 minutes,
佢
me for
都
only 3 minutes.
佢都
You
唔
know,
滿
Baba went
意
out of his
爸
way
爸。
to make me feel okay about that situation. I found it so supportive, so caring. And
呢
what
個
I
我
really
感覺
knew
到
was
好
amazing
大
is
嘅
how
支持
Baba
同埋
really
佢嘅
was
照
over the
顧，
situation. He knew what was going on.
佢知道
That's
發
when I
生緊咩
really
事，
felt the presence more of the angel Brahma in my life.
跟住
Sometimes
我
we
就
can
感
feel
覺
alone
到
in this physical
嗰個
world because my
天使
mind is
嘅
so
Brahma
caught
爸
up
爸，
in the senses and this material world.
但係我哋
But
嘅
when I
思
really
想
know that the
太
angel
過注
Brahma
重喺
is
物質
working
層
with
面
me and
嘅世
supporting
界，
me, you
但係
feel
其實
safe and you feel this huge
如果
support.
你感覺到
And the way
天
Baba
使
often would
Brahma
show
嘅
extra
支
love
持，
and acknowledgement.
你會好
You know,
有力
once
量。
we were in the meditation hall and we'd listen, we'd stayed up all night. In those days, we'd stay up to 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4
我
a.m.
哋嗰陣時
just
係
watching
會
Baba.
喺
And
靜坐
I know I
廳
just
度，
love to watch Baba
至到
interacting.
凌晨2
And
點
then
4
we
點
finished
咁
and
樣。
all the feeding of the Borg, you know how Daddy G and everyone would feed Baba the Borg. The Borg trays had been packed away and Daddy sat in front, never by of Baba, and Baba takes leave. He gives Drishti and Baba flies off. Well, Baba had
爸
been
爸
giving
俾
Drishti,
Drishti，
and then he stopped. And he spoke to Muni Ben, who looks after all the Borg.
然後
And she
佢
came
同
over and
Muni
had a
Ben
huge
講，
tin of Toli.
佢有
And Baba
Toli，
called me up and he gave me a whole tin of Toli.
成個 Toli
He
俾
said
晒
to me,
我。
share it with your friends.
佢
I
話
was
同
very
你
popular
啲
that night. I've never had more
同你
friends
啲
in my
朋
life.
友分享。
But
嗰一
he
晚
touched
我
my
有好
heart
多
so
朋
deeply.
友，
It was like, you know,
我
Baba's
心都
love,
融化
Baba's
咗。
care, Baba's support, the
爸爸
angel
係好
Brahma
支
giving
持，
encouragement.
佢一
Because
直
Baba
都係
knows
鼓
we
勵
have
我，
to face so much in this world to
因
live
為我
fully
哋
our
要
life.
面對
So these meetings
好
with Baba
多
Dada was a
先至
real
可以
sense
保
of
持
the
純潔
presence of
喺呢
Baba
個
in
世
my
界
life,
上邊。
that Baba was there. Baba knew what was happening in my life and was guiding me. It
爸
was
爸
really
知道
something
我生活發
so
生緊
strong.
咩事，亦都
One
一
of the
直咁
stories
樣
that I
樣
often share
引導我。
was just also how humorous Baba, even Avyap Babdada is. And I was in the
阿
history
約
hall once
伯
again.
達
It was
係
the
非
first
常
time
之
I was
幽
in
默
Mudba.
嘅。
And the feeding of Baba was happening, the Borg at the end of the morning. And Daddy Prakashmani said to me, Charlie, say something to Baba.
爹
And
哋
I don't speak
叫
Hindi.
我講一
So
啲嘢，
Daddy
我
started
唔
to
識
say
講
something
印
and
度
I would
文，
just copy her like a parrot.
我就
So
會
Daddy
爹哋
said
講
to
咩
him,
我就講乜
you know,
嘢。
in Hindi, Baba, I love you. And I repeated it. And then she said in Hindi, Baba, I've searched for you for so long. I repeated it. And
好
this went
爸爸
on.
我愛你，
And then Daddy said something in
我揾
Hindi and
咗
I
你好
repeated
耐。
it. And everyone laughed,
跟
including
住
Baba.
有
Even
人
Baba
笑，
was
爸
laughing
爸
along.
都喺度笑。
And she had said in Hindi, Baba, I'm a monkey.
爸爸，
And
我係
then
隻馬
I
騮，
looked at Baba, this innocent child in Hindi. I didn't know what I was saying.
我唔知道我
Baba,
講
I'm
緊
a
乜嘢。
monkey.
我同
And
爸爸話
really,
我
Baba
係一隻
laughed
馬
so
騮，
much and everyone laughed. And it
大家
really
都
gave
好
this
笑，
beautiful family feeling. And
有
once
一
again,
種
I could just
好似
feel
家庭嘅感
that,
覺。
you know, the angel Brahma was so present. You know, the angel
天使
Brahma
嘅
was so
Brahma
there supporting. And the angel
一直
Brahma
喺度
knew
支
me
持，
deeply. And he was actually supporting me. Sometimes I think
同
we
埋
don't
亦
even
都
realize how much
好明白我。
Baba is supporting in
我哋
this
有
world.
時都唔知道，其實
And the
爸
mercy
爸
of
爸
Baba.
支持咗
You
我
know,
哋好
one
多
of the
嘢。
most touching things for me is when Baba would say, Children, can you hear the cries of the devotees?
佢話：孩
Can
子，
you hear
你
the
聽到
suffering in our world?
呢個世界
It's like
幾
Baba
痛
saying we
苦
get
嗎？
so self-absorbed in me and my life and my problems.
我
This
一
life
直
is
淨
to
係諗
serve
自
an
己
angel
啦，
like Brahma.
諗 自己嘅
And
生活
once her
啊，
in the history, actually in the
從來都冇
meditation
諗過第啲呢個世界，
And
第啲
Baba
人。
was taking leave once again. And he stopped and he called one sister. She was absolutely in the back corner of the meditation hall. The angel Brahma
Baba
called her.
爸
And
爸
she
叫
came and sat
一
in front
個
of Baba.
最
And
後
obviously there was something
而
that
叫佢
was
坐喺
really
前
painful
邊，
in her, some experience or feeling.
佢有一啲痛
And I
苦
really
嘅
saw
體
the
驗。
supreme surgeon at work.
嗰陣時，我見到爸爸就係一
Gave her
個
so much
手
love.
術，外
Baba
科
was
手
just
術，
showering the feelings of love and belonging.
愛
And I
同埋
saw
歸
just how
屬。
Baba could see that we had lost our self-respect. We became distant.
我
We
哋
easily
已
get
經冇
hurt.
咗
And
我
Baba
哋
was
嘅
just
自尊，
with this huge heart
所
saying,
以好
"Child,
容易就
everything's
會
okay."
痛苦、受
And you
傷。
know, you could see this sister's face change in front. From
你
this
見到
sadness,
呢
this
個人
heaviness,
由
this darkness,
由痛苦，
light came into her
跟
face.
住由
And I
光芒
really observed
塊
how the
面，
supreme surgeon
我就
pulled
睇
the
住
thorn out of her heart.
爸爸點
And
樣
it was
將
an
佢心
amazing
裏邊
experience.
嘅刺
I also
掹咗
saw
出嚟。
once a brother who had come
有
and
一次
he
有個
wouldn't
兄弟，
smile.
佢唔會笑
Whatever had
嘅。
happened in his life, I don't know. But
我唔知
he was
佢嘅
just
生
very
活發
serious
生咗
and
啲乜嘢，
intense. And
但係
everyone
佢
in
係
Bhadabad
非
knew
常之
about
嚴
this.
肅，
And when he met Baba in Om
好
Shanti
強
Baba,
烈嘅。
everyone was watching. You know, everyone was looking, what is
當
Baba
佢見
going
到
to do?
爸爸嘅時候，大家都喺度望
And
住
so
爸
he
爸
sat
會
in
點
front of
樣
Baba, and Baba
點樣
began
做
to
呢？
praise him.
爸
And
爸
that
就
serious
開始
face
讚
just
佢啦。
remained. And Baba talked to him and gave him more blessings. He remained
又俾咗
faithful.
佢祝福，
His face remained really heavy. Baba would not give up. It was like
仍然好
Baba
重咁
said,
樣。
I'm not going to give up till this brother smiles. And
跟
Baba
住
kept
爸爸
encouraging him,
繼
blessing
續
him,
冇放棄到，
giving him so much love. And finally, a big smile came on his face.
跟住
And really,
俾
I
好
just saw
多
how
愛，
Baba knows
跟住見到
what's in our
個
hearts.
兄弟
Baba
終於
knows
微笑啦。
how much we carry from the second half of the cycle.
我哋
That
知
the
道
soul
爸爸
carries
知道
a
我
lot of
哋
pain
由
sometimes in its heart
2500
and its mind.
年半個
But
週
Baba
期，
wasn't judgmental. His mercy
我
and
哋
his
一直
care just
有幾
really
多嘅
massaged
痛
that
苦
out of the
累
heart
積累
of
咗。
the soul. So the angel Brahma always working. And you know, Daddy Janki used to say, you know how sometimes in Brahman life you feel stuck?
有時我哋喺呢個 BK 嘅旅程，覺得我冇辦法再行前啦，或者覺得一切都係冇進步，有時係會有突破。
And she said that breakthrough is the help of the angel Brahma.
就
Sometimes the
係爸
angel
爸
Brahma
呢個
helps
天
us
使
break
去
through our
幫
karmic accounts, break through
去
you know,
突
our
破我哋
obstacles
自
and
己
our
嘅
problems.
障
And
礙
really, I also
同
have
埋
felt
因
that
果。
sometimes that when you come up against the strong sanskaras, we get the special support of the angel Brahma. And
當
the
我
way
哋
Baba is working to
有
serve
一
the
啲
world
比
at
較
the moment.
好 硬嘅
You
習
know,
慣。
once Mahini Didi from New York was in Brazil,
爸爸呢個天使
and
就
she
會
offered book to
特
Baba.
別咁幫助。
And in the message, Baba was talking about the specialty
有
of
一
Brazil.
次
Baba said, Baba can
爸爸
touch
話
anyone's intellect.
爸爸
The
可以
children
用
aren't ready.
任何
And Sister
嘅
Luciana,
心
who's
智。
Baba's instrument in South America, she said she thought, Baba, why aren't we ready? Why aren't we ready?
但
And she
但
had this
係
strong
我哋
question in her
未
mind. She said
未
1
準
week
備好。
later, the national television contacted her. Brazil's
有
like
一個
300
禮拜
million
後
people, and said we want you to teach
3000萬
a
人
course on national television.
我要你
And
俾
so
呢個
she did
課程
this,
喺
and
電視台，
thousands rang up to do the course, and guess what?
有
weren't
1000 人，
And it was
有
almost
1000
like
人
Baba was showing her
打電話，
that we don't have the infrastructure. We weren't ready for so
但
many
係我
people
哋係
to
冇
serve
準
them
備到。
properly. But it was just really like Baba, in a sense, he's there and he's touching intellects. And you know, I had this
爸爸
experience
係
when
不
I
停
was
咁
in
樣
just
樣，
18 months ago in Delhi. And we had an interfaith gathering at the presidential palace. Draupadi Murmu is the president. As you all know, she's a Brahma Kumari. And it was an interfaith gathering, and a lot of the religious leaders of India had been invited.
有好多宗教，
And I was just
各
sitting
種
there and
宗
I was
教喺
thinking,
印度嘅人，
I was just watching.
而家個
All the
總
religious
統
leaders were given
係
3 minutes to
BK，
say something, and then the president spoke. And I thought, really, we should never worry about any outcome of service.
我哋
Sometimes we get a
唔
bit
需
worried,
要
will this thing happen, will
去
this work?
擔心任
Because I
何
just
服務
saw
嘅
the
嘢。
president of the world's largest democracy is a Paka BK. It's like everything is happening perfectly. The whole establishment of the
一
golden
切
age
都正在發生緊，唔使
Why should
擔
I
心
worry?
服
And
務
it's
嘅
like
嘢。
it's just perfect in the drama how this
而
system
家
with
戲
some
劇
of
裏
those
邊，
simple beginnings, as you know,
佢係一
became
個
like
好
a
簡單
politician
嘅，
and the governor of Orissa and now the president of the country. And really, I just began to see how, you know, the angel Brahma, he's got his finger on all the
根本就係
all the
Brahma
aspects
爸
of
爸
serving
呢
the
個
priest.
天使
And I
去
remember one of
拉
my
好
favorite
多
org
線，
messages, which Baba gave
令到
to
服
Daddy
務發
Gopal.
生。
And, you know, regularly Daddy Gozal were going to trance and bring a message.
高沙
And in this
爹哋會
message,
去
Daddy
白
Gozal
康
was
區
pulled into
度
the subtle region.
攞一
She
個。
couldn't find Brahma Baba. She was saying, "Where's
佢
Baba?"
有一次佢
I
見
don't
唔
know
到
how you got
Brahma
lost
爸
in
爸，
the subtle region, but
我唔知道
anyway,
天
she finally found
喺白
Baba.
江區點解
And it
會
was
揾
like
唔到
Baba was
Brahma
at
爸
the
爸。
HQ of NASA, you know, where the American space station, and he was sitting in front of all these huge panels and
爸
screens,
爸
and he was working all the screens.
係有太
Baba
空
was so
隊
creative.
美國
And
嘅
it's like
NASA
the angel Brahma,
太
he
空
was
隊，
had pictures of the world, the pictures that have been
佢係
fully
有
served,
細
the,
個
the
世
countries
界
that have been
嘅，
fully served, the countries still to be served, the countries with no service.
好
And
似
it's almost
有
like Baba
面
had
前
all of
有一
this
個
on his
電
screens
腦，
in this world headquarters of service management. And I just really loved the way, you know, Baba, his sense of humor, and also the way Baba was sort of monitoring really the
我
progress
好
of his
開
service.
心。
And
Brahma 爸
really
爸
my
呢個天
experience
使，
of
佢係一直
the
都
angel
睇住
Brahma is the one
世
who's
界各地嘅
always
服
standing
務，
beside me, the one who's given
佢
me
一
so
直
much support,
都
the
係陪
one
伴
who's
住
given me
我，
the courage to face
支持我，
any
同埋
situation
俾勇
in this
氣
world.
我去面
And
對
really
任
the
何
one
嘅
who is with
情
us
形，
until the final moment.
直至
And
到最後一
Brahma
刻。
Baba, wherever he thinks, that's where he is. So he can cover so many places in such a short time.
佢喺白江區，只要
Really,
佢
I
一
think,
諗到嘅嘢，
you know,
佢就
the
可以到達。
angel, the archangel Gabriel is known in the Christian religion. That's the part of Brahma Baba. He's the senior angel and he's serving the world
係
at every
天使
single
嘅角
moment.
色，就係
And
佢
how humble.
每一
You
秒
know, once
鐘，
Daddy Janki said,
佢幾謙虛。
Brahma Baba has made effort and settled all his karmic account. He's created his fortune.
Brahma 爸爸
He's touching our
已經
intellects,
係
you know, and we do
佢
service
係
and create our
創
fortune.
造緊
So
佢
it's almost
嘅
like Baba's doing more service, and all that service is going into our account.
fortune。
He's not only settled his account and created his
而
fortune,
家
he's
爸爸
actually
已經自己嘅因果已經了結咗， 佢而家係 係幫我哋去創造
He puts us in front of a lot of people.
創造
In
我
a
哋，
sense, you know,
嘅幸運福氣，佢俾呢啲咁嘅責任就入咗我哋嘅戶口。你諗下，佢係幾咁偉大？佢喺天主教係講天父。Holy Ghost 聖神就係天使嘅 Brahma Baba， 係一個毫不張揚嘅方法去做服務。我感覺到 Brahma 嘅陪伴。
I don't know whether anyone wants to ask something or
Yeah. Om Shanti, Brother Charlie. It's difficult to speak after what you've said because we kind of got into a trance from whatever you're saying, you know.
你一邊講嘅時候，我哋好難再想講嘢，因為好似已經出神咁樣。
Senior practitioner like you, they are able to take us into that experience, as they say or as they speak.
我哋係可以體驗到你講嘅嘢。
There are, of course, a few questions, and let's have a look at them. So the first one is, yeah. So the first one is really, Brahma Baba had this instance when Dadi Gulzar went to the subtle world, and he was comparing the image of the angelic Brahma with his own image.
佢哋喺白光區度比較下 Brahma Baba。
How far is Brother Charlie from his angelic form?
Charlie 係幾遠呢？同佢嘅天使。
Honestly, I feel the effort that Brahma Baba made. In my feeling is that
F 係 Brahma Baba 喺呢一生裏邊就係思念。神係唔受影響嘅，佢一直叫你要記得我，係從不被影響嗰一位。同埋佢會去注意佢嘅心智。你係同我哋過去嘅記憶。Brahma Baba 一直都係觀察住佢自己嘅心智，係去緊乜嘢嘅方向。我覺得我哋冇真係好好地去觀察同埋注意自己嘅心智係咩方向。But still they had some outstanding accounts. They took rebirth. The quality of his effort for 32 years was absolutely amazing. So very much I'm on the journey. 佢哋做咗好多年嘅努力，但係仍然需要再重生，因為仲有少少嘅因果未了結。
Beyond that influence completely, and their whole nature is benevolence, mercy, compassion. 佢哋嘅個性就係仁慈，係帶嚟益處。無論佢諗嘅、做嘅，佢嘅態度都係要為
呢個世界帶嚟益處。
good wishes, pure feelings,
爸爸一直話要祝福
but every single soul.
有呢啲天
This
使
is what
嘅
the angel Brahma has. And to really
祝
settle
良
my
好
account with all
情
human
感。
souls, I've got to settle these mental accounts. These mental accounts of having waste about other people, negativity. And Brahma Baba
我哋
only
要
had benevolence.
將呢啲
And to
浪
me,
費
that is so
同埋負
inspiring. I
面
feel,
嘅
you know, to live
思
in this
想
world, this Tamo-Pradhan
要
world, have
完
benevolent
全
feelings for every
消
soul,
除，
will really take me to the higher stage and clear all my mental accounts. So I do
令
pay
到
a lot of
我
attention
嘅
to that.
思
Still got quite a way to go. There's no
思
doubt.
想嘅因果，所以我而家係
Thank you,
好
thank
注
you for
意我
answering
諗
that.
緊嘅嘢，
But I think
我係
I'm
有
sure
咩
all of us feel that you're
情
very
感。
close to that stage, and you know you're almost there. So, towards the end, you spoke about benevolence and benevolence for all, right? So that connects to one of the questions which is here, which says that no matter what, how can we maintain an attitude of benevolence and giving blessings towards everybody unconditionally?
點樣
No
我哋
matter
可
what, how
以
can that
無
happen?
條件咁
I
樣
think it can happen when I realize I can only clear
Oi.
my account and reach that high stage when I make a decision in my life.
我要
It's
決
the
定
fact of life. People are rude, people are difficult,
呢一
people
個
are this, people are
係事
dishonest,
實，
people are everything. That's all a fact.
人
But if
係
I
有
get stuck in that,
各
I
種
won't
人，
progress spiritually.
但
It's
係
like
如果我
the wave
去
for me
睇
to
人
fly
哋，
spiritually. And you know,
我
Praveen
係
Bhai,
要
when
飛
Baba
翔，所以我要超越
speaks a
佢
lot
先
of
至
these
可以
warnings in
飛
the last
自
few years
由。
we've been revising every Sunday. So often the language is no matter what someone is like.
無論佢
So
哋
Baba's like saying
係
children
點
be
樣，
detached. It's a drama. They're playing their parts. And if I
因
absorb
為呢一個
sorrow,
係戲
it's not
劇，
them at all. They're an
係
instrument. And I
佢
still
哋嘅
have
角
the
色，
sanskara to absorb sorrow or be hurt.
佢哋
And this is the
我
main
仍
reason
然
Brahma
係
said
有，
stuck.
如果我仍然有呢個
We
習
get
慣
stuck in human feelings about others. I can't
去
remember Baba. I can't remember Baba at that
去
time.
接受呢
But
個
actually,
痛
it has
苦，
an effect on our self-respect because when I observe myself, when I'm honestly observing
當
deep
我
down
係
that I
有自
dislike
尊
somebody,
自重嘅
I
話，
reject somebody, I have waste about
當
somebody,
我
I
去
gossip about
唔
somebody,
中意，
deep down that damages
我
my
係浪
relationship
費
with
咗
me. I can't have that full
呢
self-respect.
一個
And
令
really,
到個關
you
係
know,
會
do you
惡劣。
remember that the last Borg message Daddy Gulzar gave? 3 things Baba mentioned.
你
The
記得
second one was
高沙
children,
打電話，
clear all your mental accounts with everybody.
第一
And I feel,
所有人
how can I tell out of a mental account? If I think about somebody a lot,
嘅思
if I have a
想
little bit of frustration or annoyance or
嘅
hurt or
戶
jealousy,
賬
whatever,
戶，
that's
即
an
係話
account
如果
that's
我
still
唔中
influencing
意，
me rather than me
我仍
settling that
然
account.
受影
To
響。
me, good wishes, pure feelings, no matter what they're like, keep clearing all those accounts.
所以祝福
And I feel behind practices
良
of
好嘅
consciousness,
情感
practice of
係不
remembrance,
停
seeing
係
virtue
會
in
將
everyone
我
is the third most
睇到
important.
每一個人嘅優
Otherwise,
點。
we get stuck
如
in
果唔
this
係，
give and take
我
of
哋
sorrow
就
with the
會
human soul. It
你
stops my
同我大
relationship,
家係會
breaks my relationship with Baba. And in a way, the whole
係
thing
會
about
有痛
good
苦，
wishes, good wishes, pure feelings
咁就同
is
爸爸
to
冇
clear all
關
those mental
係，
accounts so I'm
唔
fully
能夠
present to
連
remember
結。
Shiv Baba. Otherwise, the mind keeps going into all this justification, reasoning, proving
如
myself
果唔
right.
係，我就喺度證明
I
我
think
自
time is
己
let it go, let
啱
it go
嘅，
completely. No matter
要
how
完
people
全
behave,
放棄，
let it go.
完全
Move
放
on.
下。
I
你要
really feel
繼
it's
續
important.
繼續前進。
Sure. That is such a powerful message, and I could feel the underlining in your voice. to that, you know,
我感覺
that
到
signifies how
嗰
important this
個
is in Brahmin life.
重要嘅基
There's
礎
a question in the chat which
先
says,
至
you
可
know, when I
以
know what
繼
is
續
right,
行
but still
前。
out of compulsion or habit, I still don't do that, or
我
or
知
maybe out
道，
of convenience. So
但係
how
有
do I
嗰個
overcome
習
that
慣
habit, and how
或
to
者係
strengthen my
方
inner
便，
discipline?
我仍然去
That's the sign that my karma is stronger than my understanding and recognition of Baba.
就係因為我
So
嘅
my
因
karmic
果
account is pulling me
大
towards that
過
action rather
大
than
過我
understanding
嘅
the truth.
我明
And in
白
a way,
乜嘢
it's
係
like
真嘅。
I feel that you know, there's no secrets about self-transformation. Sometimes Baba says it's just
自我
sheer
轉變，
determination not to give in to the
爸爸
pull of the
話
samsara.
堅
Where
定
do I get determination
堅
from?
定，但係堅定係由邊度嚟呢？
Belonging.
愛
I love Baba so deeply. I
關
don't want to
係
do anything that goes against
同埋
the one
歸
I
屬。
love. And
如果
that
我對
willpower,
爸
that
爸
determination, really, honestly, what I saw in Daddy Janki, she, her
我見到
willpower was
Daddy
phenomenal.
佢
When she
係好
decided
有
something,
力
nothing
量，
could shake her.
佢決定
You
咗
know
就
how
唔
busy she
會
was?
動搖
Every
嘅。
night, right on the dot of 7, she would sit for half an hour. No matter how many people want to see her, talk to her, she would remain absolutely,
無論
absolutely
佢幾
determined.
忙，
And I feel
佢
it's
仍然
like
會做
one of
努力。
the qualities of love is this courage, this determination, this willpower I get not to break my truth, not to
就
break the
係
contract
我有
of
咁
my
嘅
own
勇
conscience
氣，
and do something
我
against
嘅
my own
良
conscience,
知。
because then I suffer and I
如
feel
果唔
a little
係，
inferior if I do an action
如果唔係，我
against
就
my
會
truth.
痛苦，
Yes,
因為
it's a high
我係
determination,
同
but
同我知道嘅
really
真
that
係反
incredible
方向而
determination.
行。
Thank you so much for that. You know, that's a great tip, and we should be using it in our daily life. We just in this session, Brother Charlie, I mean, all the other sessions, 5 sessions that were before this, we kept 1 hour exactly, and we used to sign off 1 hour. In this session, we kept a little extra because we know that you love to do question and answers, you know.
And it is
So
Saturday.
it is Saturday as well, right? So that gives us wonderful opportunity. Connected to what you said about discipline, there's a question on consistency here, and it says that over a long period, and Baba always insists this, right? That the effort has to be over a long period of time, right? Baba
爸
keeps
爸
on
一直都講
underlining this
話
long
我
period
哋
of
嘅
time.
努力
And
係
in
要
Brahmin
長
life,
期
as we
嘅。
go through, the question is about how can I maintain consistency and keep
點
going
樣可以
after my effort,
繼續
making that effort?
咁樣
Because there
努
are
力
going to be
呢？
instances in
就
life
係
where there may be
長
turmoil,
時
there may
間，
be breakage. How can I maintain consistency in Brahmin life?
因為係會發生路上會發生好多
You know,
嘢。
I think really to keep that little structure in every day, and it's
每一
like
日嗰
gold.
個
I can't
嗰
break
個
it in a sense.
框架，
My Amrit Vela, my Moli,
我嘅甘
my
露
traffic controls.
Merly
It's like building
交
a
通
structure
管理，
to
就係
support
你
my,
有呢一
my
個架
spiritual
構，
growth.
先至可以
And
支
you know
持
what
到
happens in this journey?
我嘅
We all travel happily, and
成長。
sometimes a big obstacle comes, and it can
有
be
時
many things, and
有好多嘢會
self-doubt
發
sets
生，
in.
跟
And
住
then sometimes
你
we
會
sort
去
of
懷
go to that
疑
level of self-doubt where we think, oh, it's not working. So
係唔
sometimes I
得
become a bit
喎，
slack with part of my Brahman life.
咁我就
That
會
opens
好
a big
鬆懈啦，
gap in my journey with Baba.
跟住
Meaning no matter
就
what
決裂
happens,
啦，
never
同
ever
爸爸嘅關係。
break this little structure of the Brahman day.
所以呢個
Because,
BK 嘅
you know,
時
when I
間表，
do break that sort of consistent practice, it gives you a
咁
sort
你
of a
就
support even when you
唔
go
會
through the storms, go through the ups and downs.
呢一個練
And you
習
know, once Baba said
係有系統嘅練
something
習。
like,
係會支持你，就算有嘢發生。
I'm sure we all feel that. And yet Baba said, would you be able to sustain effort? Because Baba actually said it's not so much the time you're in Gyan, it's once you come, what you do. We've come late considering when
我
the
哋
Yagya began in the 1930s.
我哋任何時間，我哋
practice. And to me, I don't feel that as a heavy thing or a rigid thing, because sometimes we feel, oh, we just get into this routine. Just no, everything should be done with love. Everything
你
should be done with
做
love.
一
When I
切
wake up, I
係
do it
用
with love.
愛去
When I
做。
follow Baba's directions, I do it
我
with
起
love.
身嘅
Work,
時候，
I do it with my heart.
我跟住爸爸
That's
嘅
when
指
you
引，
can become consistent.
我係用心
I
去
feel
做，
that,
所以
often
唔係
my
淨係一
journey,
個 一
it's not that
個
it's been like this. It's been a bit like that, but it's always generally
我係
moving
有
forward.
上上落落，
And I
但
would say to
係
everyone,
一般嚟
never,
計
ever
係
give up.
向上，
No matter
你
how
唔
much
好
Maya tests you, no matter how much
唔好
sometimes
放棄。
you lose faith in yourself, a mistake is made.
就算你係錯咗，你
Because Baba is the truth. This is
因為
the
爸
truth.
爸
And
係真
really,
理，
the more I follow it, the more I will be
我
naturally consistent in
亦
life.
都係真。 如果我跟隨嘅話呢， 我
Yeah,
就係會
being consistent.
更有
And that's where I've learned really from
系
the
統。
daddies, they were just totally consistent. No matter what.
無論發生咩嘢，
Great. Thank you so much. I think we have wonderful role models, definitely, not only from a Vyakt perspective, but also the ones that are still with us in a bodily form. We
我哋
definitely have
有
excellent
好
role
多，
models, and of course, you're one of them, no doubt about it.
我哋
To
有
end
好多
this,
嘅
just one more question which arises here is that this whole series was about, angelic state, right? I am sure everybody who is here
天使
would like
嘅
to get into that
境
state
界。
as soon as we can. However, what are those? So we want to know some tips here. What are those top few things you think that is holding us back still from
究
getting
竟
into
有
the
啲乜
angelic state?
嘢，有乜嘢障礙令到我
In
哋
a
入
way, I feel
體驗唔到
there's three
天使嘅
worlds
境
my
界？
mind can live in.
我個
The
腦
first
可
world is the
以
external world, and this is the
外
body
邊
conscious
嘅
world
世
where
界。
the whole world is living.
而家全世界都係身體意，
That Baba spoke about the other week. Pachintan, just thinking about people.
就係
Just
諗人、
watching other people.
睇人
Getting
哋、
caught up in the drama.
諗人哋，
That
就
in
係
this
呢個
drama
戲
world, we
劇，
can live in that extrovert external world.
就係
The
外
second
邊
is
世
the internal
界。
world. All
第
the
二個
memories,
就
all
係
the feelings, all
內
the
在
stories
嘅
of the
世
past.
界，
Often it's so easy
就
to live in
係
that world,
過
get lost in that
去
world, take hurt from
嘅
that
記
world.
憶，
Or there's
然係
Baba's
痛
world.
苦。
And Baba's world is really the subtle region where
爸爸嘅世界
I
係
really
精細
keep
嘅世界，
company with Baba.
我同
I
爸
talk
爸係
to
伴
Baba,
侶，
I turn knowledge with Baba.
我同
And
爸
to
爸
me, churning
去
knowledge means
傾
I
偈，
interpret life like Baba. I look through
係
his
同
lens.
爸爸
So death,
好似
rather than
Merly
emotion
爸
and
爸
the
嘅
habit,
眼
rigid
光
patterns
咁
of
去
deep
睇嘢，
sorrow, like all body conscious souls do. I look through Baba's lens. Death is nothing. The soul just leaves the body
係
and
爸
takes
爸
another.
知道死
Even
係
Baba uses language
係
some
問
feel so
題，
strong. Even if your mother dies, eat halva. Because
就
Baba
算
spoke
你
to say,
媽媽死咗，你
when
都
you're
要
soul
食
conscious, your
甜
perception
點。
of reality is completely different.
當你
When I
係由
think
爸
like
爸嘅
Baba,
角
I'm in
度
the
嘅
subtle
時候，
region. When I interpret
我
life like
哋
Baba, I'm in the subtle
我
region.
哋生活嘅方
Because
式就
I'm
完
not
全唔一
influenced
樣，
by the external world or even my own past. My mind doesn't live in
就
those
係
worlds anymore. My mind is living in Baba's world, and I
我
think like
嘅
Baba. I
心思
interpret relationships,
同埋我嘅
situations,
睇法，
roles, people's responsibilities through Baba's lens. So, you know, sometimes we teach everyone and we believe all the knowledge, but we think in the old way. We interpret it through my old lens.
教人哋，但係我仍然諗嘅嘢係一種舊嘅模式。但係如果我睇嘢好似我諗嘢同爸爸一樣嘅話，咁我已經係超越呢個世界嘅戲劇裏邊嘅一切。我可以係一個觀察者，就係我係一個天使，冇嘢，我係俾佢入去我嘅影響我。
That is so wonderfully put, because I think the underscoring thing that you mentioned is that we don't have to wait up to the end to get into the angelic state, but it is like
我
here
哋
now
唔
we
係
are living through
到
life.
最後先係
We can
天使，
keep
而係
experiencing the angelic stage when we are
而家
realizing
我哋
that
體
this
驗
world
到
impacts us. Yeah.
抽離就唔受影響，同埋你係仁慈。你一直只可以俾快樂，無論發生咩事。
Is 100% benevolent to everyone. We don't judge where they're at. We don't even ask that question. We just give.
我哋唔批評，我哋淨係去俾。
Great, thank you so
呢
much.
個就係天使啦。
I think as all in every session we have said this, that we do not like to end the sessions. We do not like
我
to
哋
wait
唔
this
想
thing to
佢
end,
停。
but always one habit that the clock has is that it keeps ticking. It doesn't stop.
就係嗰個
So
鐘
with
不
that
停咁
challenge
樣行。
in mind, then we have to wind up this session now. A few things, of course, we have to recognize a few people who have really worked towards making this happen. First of all, I think this time I want to thank first Sister Bindu, because she created this platform. She conceptualized this idea. She created this platform. In fact, she invited most of the speakers who shared the experience here. She's the one who invited them all. So I think that's a great effort from
佢
Sister
係
Bindu,
邀
which
請
we all benefited across. And so thanks a lot to Sister Bindu for this. And
thank you, Sister Bindu.
great, thank you. And there are interpreters consistently who interpreted across sessions, of course. So today, for the Hindi interpreter, if the interpreters could please switch on your cameras. Yeah, for Hindi we had Sister Aanchal. For Cantonese we had Sister Bianca, and she did it for all the sessions. The Cantonese one, we have the Mandarin interpreter, but needs to be incognito, and the Korean and the Japanese as well. Plus, of course, we have the team from Philippines joining Tagaytay Center. I think there's a huge number sitting there, and this really makes it wonderful to see them there.
係菲律賓有好多人去中心。
Yeah. So thank you very much to all for joining, and not to forget that there are recordings happening in various languages as well. So the thanks to the
唔
ones who
同
are
嘅
recording
語
it.
言
One is
係
Brother
錄
Gary
音。
doing it in Hindi, Sister Yogin doing it in Cantonese. They did it across all the sessions. So thank you for that as well. And yeah, and of course, Deepa, you did all the introductions and to this, so that also recognized. And Sister Rohini, I hope you're still there. Yeah.
Rohini.
Maybe not. Maybe she'll. Oh, okay. There's Sister Rohini, BK Hong Kong Center. Yeah, thank you to Sister Rohini for joining in this session. And I would call upon first Sister Rohini to really express gratitude to Brother Charlie. Yes. You're on mute, Sister Rohini.
Okay, thank you very much, Charlie Bai. Thank you, Sister Bindu, and those her organizing team and translators. Well done. Thank you.
Right. So thank you to everybody. And I think we will hand it back to Brother Charlie for the final meditation and his powerful drishti. And Brother Charlie, would you like to give a commentary as well during the meditation?
Okay, Praveen, no problem.
Yeah, Charlie Bhai, also see you tomorrow also.
Yes.
Morning. Tomorrow morning also. Murli class.
Yes, I think Binduben is saying that we have an Asia-wide Murli tomorrow morning.
Yes.
If anyone
Master
would like
Brahma.
to
Master Brahma.
Yes.
Read Murli tomorrow.
Yeah.
聽日
Wonderful.
亦都係 Charlie 拜
Yes, so
幫我
it would
哋
be lovely.
Murli
There's such a beautiful Murli tomorrow. Really a beautiful special Murli they create for the 18th of January. A Saka Murli and an Avyakt Murli.
係有一篇
Yeah.
Saka 同埋一篇
Yeah.
Avyak
And I
嘅
think
Murli。
the diamond. So we got a new name for the golden angels this time in this session, which Brother Yogesh had this idea, and he mentioned that they should now be called diamond divas.
Also Prabha Ben, Minu Ben, Asha Ben.
They're all there.
Minu Ben also hai.
They should be called diamond divas. Yeah. So they have been
Prabha
very, very consistent in also joining and supporting these this session. Thank you.
Om
Thank
Shanti,
you,
Brother
friends.
Charlie.
Sister Hina, Om Shanti.
Yeah,
Nice
Om
to see
Shanti,
you.
Om Shanti. Yeah, we feel so good to see you. And your experience of Brahma Baba really takes us into another level. And we've been hearing all the senior sisters, each one of them have given us a beautiful concept of the whole of Brahma Baba's history. We know it all, we read it all, we hear it all, but then to experience all this from you seniors, brothers and sisters, your relationship, your feelings, your experiences, your journey makes a lot of difference to us. It inspires us to do what the seniors are actually inspiring us to do. Thank you so much.
因為有咁多
Thank
大
you.
姐姐、
Thank you so
Prabha,
much.
大哥哥
Prabha Ben unmute karo.
佢哋嘅經歷，令到我哋可以更加
Om Shanti.
奮發去前進。
I can't say. It's been a beautiful experience. Reminded us of our meetings with Baba.
記
All
得
the places
爸爸嘅 相會
Murli Hall, at the upstairs meditation hall when we met Baba one-to-one.
當我
Hearing
哋
you
一對一
gave us
咁樣
such a
見爸
beautiful
爸，
experience of our own meetings.
記得我哋一對一嘅相會。
We took full advantage while we were healthy that we went every year to see Bab Dada. And there were times that we even went twice a year.
有
And
時
we
我哋
really
係去
had
2次，
a lot of respect and love from all the dadis and everybody. It was such a beautiful experiences that I don't think we will ever forget it. We could always talk about it all the time, never ending.
Or It's really been beautiful. And how can we forget all the love we got there in Madhuban?
我哋喺馬都班得到幾多嘅愛。
Yeah, great. So thank you so much, Sister
Thank you,
Hinu,
Prabha
Sister
Ben.
Prabha Ben, and Asha Ben. Yeah, and so
Beautiful.
Minu sister is also here. Minu Ben is also here. Okay. So yeah. So thank you, Brother Jali, once again, Jali Bhai. Really, it's been a wonderful session, and we learned a lot today. We experienced a lot today. That was so important. So really, we would hand it back to you to take us through the meditation and your
而家
commentary.
我哋
And
一
once you're
齊
done, if you could just wave,
靜
then we
坐，
will know.
咁你
Thank you.
揮手，我哋就知道再見。
So thank you, everyone. And now let's all travel and meet the angel Brahma.
而家我要同天使嘅 Brahma 相
Baba
會，
is making me pure.
雪爸爸令到我純潔。
The Brahma Baba is teaching us how to become an angel.
Brahma 爸爸教我哋點樣喺呢個世界變成天使。
Visualize the face of the angel Brahma.
喺觀賞 Brahma 爸爸天使嘅面，
See that beautiful, shining, pure,
閃
loving
閃
face.
發光，
And feel
好
his
可
vision
愛，
on me.
感覺到佢眼嘅 drishti，
He sees me as an ancestor soul.
佢眼中我就係一個世界嘅造福者，
An angel
係
to serve the whole
祖先
world.
靈魂去服務成個世界。
Just feel his drishti of benevolence,
感覺
his hopes in
呢一
me
種仁慈，
to step beyond all my limitations.
令到我會超越所有嘅限
As
制，
a full angel.
而飛去爸爸
In the heart
成為一個天使。
is only one.
天使就係
The angel has mercy for every single soul.
對每一個靈魂都有慈悲
Baba
仁
wants
慈。
me to step into my stage of the angel.
爸爸要我
Baba is
變成天使，
time is invoking it.
時間
Baba
亦都
is
呼喚
invoking
我。
it. The souls of the
戲
world
劇
are calling for the angels
世界嘅靈魂
to play
亦
their
都
part.
喺度呼喚。
Let's follow Baba
而
and
家
spread
跟
his
從
love and
爸爸
benevolence in every corner of this world. Baba, I will follow you.
爸爸，我會跟住你，將呢啲
You are my
愛嘅震波散播出去。
Baba. I will become a full angel like you.
我會同你一樣，變成一個完全嘅天使。
Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om
Om
Shanti.
Shanti.
Om Shanti. Thank you. Thank you.
Please give it away. Oh,
Thank you, everyone.
thank you. Thank you, Charlie Bhai.
Thank you, Santi.
Om Shanti.
Om
Thank you.
Shanti.
Thank you, Charlie
Om
Bhai.
Shanti.
And last, thank you, Bap Dada and Praveen Bhai Deepaben. Also.
Om Shanti, it is our fortune, great fortune. Thank you so much, everybody.
Om Shanti. Om Shanti.
Thanks,
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Om Shanti.
Charlie Bhai, you stay here.
Okay.
We get a blessing. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. I must go now.
You okay?
So,
Okay.
see you in Madhavan.
Thank you,
See you. Thank you.
Bye.